I'm going to create a sketch now and I'm going to create an oblong one passing here. Whatever happens in my sketch, I'm going to line it up here. I need to cut that line here in those 3 lines on the outside. I want the line to follow this outline and continue here, however, if I come and delete it will delete my entire line. So there's a famous feature, from the time of AutoCAD, which is our trim command. I'm going to access it in here, trim, it has these options, but the best option is rubber. One click and I'll delete it here. Because it will delete it here. Because he understands that from my hand up I have an intersection and from my hand down there is an intersection. That even if I click here, it will cut here, because the intersection ends here and ends here. Then I want to cut it in half. There is one more intersection, which is the center line. If I'm going to cut several lines I have to make 2 quick clicks there. So I want to cut that line. You can see that he read the entire line, but he only cuts to the intersection. Then I'll cut it here too. This is our trim command that we use.